It's an England thing today. Come on, Billy. We lost, guys.
No, we won.
No. But
We
won. We
love
won.
Spain.
Really.
England couldn't do it today. It's okay, guys. We're in the beautiful Trinity Bellwoods. We're gonna decompress, and we'll see.
Brother, you've been waving for like 50 hours.
Where are we at? We're about to try some
We're about to
banh
try
mi.
some assorted pork cold cuts. Try it out. Get it spicy. Get it nice with the cilantro. Get yourself some a little bit of soy sauce on the bread itself.
Dundas and Dovercourt. All right. 6666666.